In today's video, I will show you how to create an invoice from a job. In the top left-hand corner, select the menu icon. Then, go down to Jobs. Once we're at the Jobs page, we're going to select the job, Visit for Winston Walsh. Once we select the job, we will see the job details. Visit for Winston Walsh. We see the time, the service billing address, and other pertinent information. We're going to select the plus icon above where you see New, in the top of the screen. Here we have the option to create a new invoice. Select New Invoice. Seeing that the invoice was created from a job, all of the important information for the customer is automatically inputted. You see we have his name, Winston Walsh, as well as the business that is correlated with him, Koyo Taco. We have the billing address as well as the service address. Let's select Next. Here, we have the option to enter the primary details. Let's go ahead and put a reference number in. We're going to go with reference number 1128. We have the ability to select the payment term as well as the invoice date. If we scroll down, we see we have all of the items necessary for the job, as well as the total, which is $938. Select Next. Now that all the important information is inputted, we can go ahead and select Create. Select OK. Now you have successfully created a new invoice from a job. Thanks for watching!